Hello and welcome to Joins English class. Today we're going to practice a real-life English conversation between me and my guest, Elsabet. This lesson will help you learn how to greet someone, introduce a guest, and have a natural meeting conversation in English. Let's begin. Hello, Elsabet. Welcome to Joins English class. I'm very happy to have you here today. How are you?
Hello. Thank you for inviting me. I'm fine, and I'm really excited to be here.
That's great to hear. So, Elsabet, can you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yes, of course. My name is Elsabet. I am from Ethiopia. I work as a teacher, and I love learning and sharing knowledge with students. I'm also interested in English speaking practice.
That's wonderful. We are very happy to have a teacher like you today. So, today we will talk about meetings and simple English conversations people use in daily life.
Yes, that sounds very useful. Many learners struggle with speaking in meetings, so this will help a lot.
Exactly. Let's start with a simple question. When you meet someone in a formal or informal situation, what do you usually say first?
Usually, I start with a greeting like hello or good morning. Then I introduce myself and ask how the other person is doing.
Good. Can you show us an example?
Sure. For example, hello, good morning. My name is Elsabet. Nice to meet you. How are you today?
Very good. That is simple and polite. Now I will respond like a new person. Hello, Elsabet. Nice to meet you too. I'm fine, thank you. And how about you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Perfect. Now, let's imagine we are in a small meeting. Maybe a school meeting or a work meeting. What do you think is the first important rule?
I think the first rule is respect. You should listen carefully, not interrupt others, and speak politely.
That's very important. Good communication is all about respect. Now, let's practice a short meeting conversation. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming to this meeting. Today we are going to discuss English speaking improvement.
Good morning. Thank you for the introduction. I think English speaking practice is very important for students. They need more speaking time in class.
Yes, I agree. Do you think students are afraid of making mistakes?
Yes, many students are afraid. But I always tell them that mistakes are part of learning. If you don't make mistakes, you cannot improve.
That is a very powerful message. So what advice can we give to students?
My advice is, speak every day. Don't wait for perfect English. Start with simple sentences and grow step by step.
Very good advice. Now, let's continue our meeting conversation. Imagine someone in the meeting wants to ask a question. Excuse me, Elsabet. I have a question. How can students improve their confidence in speaking English?
Thank you for the question. Students can improve confidence by practicing in front of a mirror, joining group discussions, and speaking with friends in English.
That's very helpful. Also, I think watching English videos and repeating sentences can help too.
Yes, absolutely. Listening and repeating is a very strong method.
Now, let's practice a closing part of a meeting. How do we end a meeting politely?
We can say something like, thank you everyone for your time. This meeting is very helpful. See you next time.
Great. Let me try. Thank you everyone for joining this meeting. I really appreciate your participation. Elsabet, thank you for your time and your valuable ideas.
You are welcome. It was my pleasure.
I hope everyone learned something useful today. Don't forget to practice your English every day.
Yes, keep practicing and never give up.
All right, that is the end of today's lesson on Joins English class. Today we learned how to greet, how to introduce a guest, and how to have a simple meeting conversation in English. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe for more English speaking practice videos. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.